In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Gmail not receiving emails problem. First thing you want to do is launch open the Gmail app on your device. Now you want to tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, find the option of settings. Now scroll down and get to data usage section. Here, find the option of sync Gmail. Go ahead and select this option if that is not. Once sync Gmail is turned on, head back. Now open your phone settings. Here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this list of application, you want to locate Gmail. Tap on that. Here, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Then head back. Here, tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Now restart your phone. Once your phone has been restarted, open the Gmail app and check if the new emails are syncing. If the issue continues, you want to make sure you have a stable internet connection. You also want to update the Gmail app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store and search for Gmail. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. You also want to make sure that your Google account storage is not full. If it is, you want to delete the unnecessary files. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.